皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means attached or added. On reading is fu. Kun reading is tsu. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So yesterday you learned ju or u means to receive, and today's kanji to add. Then there is a word 受付 means reception. So both are kun reading, so it should be written in like 受付, but it's often the case that you will see 受付. And if you see something 付 or 付 means included something as a set. So here what you see this kanji on the street. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。